Hello everyone, my name is Shiva Subramanian. I am going to tell a story about the miraculous birth of Krishna. Once, in the kingdom of Mathura, there lived a king, Kamsa. He had a sister, Devaki. One day, as he heard the news that Devaki's eighth child will be his nemesis, meaning her eighth child will kill him. He got so furious and threw Devaki and her husband Vasudeva into the jail. And they were so worried that Kamsa, that is Devaki's brother, will kill all her children. After a few years, a divine light, a flash of light, came in the cell of Devaki and Vasudeva and gave out a divine voice. Vasudeva, your friend Nanda's home, his wife Yashoda's has just now delivered a girl baby. Go and replace the baby and come here. And the flash of light disappeared. The eighth son was born. Lord Krishna was born. Magically, the gate was open. All the soldiers were asleep. Vasudeva's chain broke. Vasudeva carried his child in a basket over his head. He went to Nanda's home. While it was a rainy and a stormy day, Lord Adishesha covered the baby. When Vasudeva reached the river of Yamuna, he prayed to God to give him path to pass through the river, pass across the river. God answered his prayers by giving him a path to go across the river. When Vasudeva reached his friend Nanda's home, he found Yashoda sleeping. Beside her was a newborn baby girl. Vasudeva replaced Lord Krishna and took the baby girl and back to his cell. In the morning, when King Kamsa heard the news that Devaki has just delivered her eighth baby, that is his nemesis, he was so furious. He rushed to the jail, grabbed the baby from Devaki's hands, and tossed the baby in the air. Suddenly, when he was about to chop the baby, a flash of light came into the jail and gave a divine voice to Kamsa. Kamsa, your nemesis, that is your sister's eighth baby, still survives. And the flash of light took the baby and disappeared. Vasudeva and Devaki were so revealed and was so happy. Kamsa was left astonished. You just heard the story from a Krishna book. This was the story of the miraculous birth of Krishna. Thank you. Thank you.